Today, I'm going to teach you how to create a custom product page in Elementor. This is a powerful way to design unique, eye-catching product pages that stand out from the standard WooCommerce templates and help boost your conversions. First, you'll need to open your website's WordPress admin dashboard. Simply log into your WordPress site using your credentials, and you'll land on the main dashboard where you can access all your site's settings and features. Once you're in the dashboard, navigate to the left sidebar and look for the option labeled Templates. Click on it, and from the drop-down menu that appears, select Theme Builder. This is where Elementor gives you full control over designing various parts of your website, including headers, footers, archive pages, and of course, product pages. The Theme Builder is essentially your gateway to creating custom layouts that override the default WordPress or WooCommerce designs. However, here's something important you need to know before proceeding further. To create custom product pages in Elementor, you need to upgrade to Elementor Pro. The free version of Elementor doesn't include access to the theme builder or the ability to design WooCommerce product pages. Elementor Pro unlocks these powerful features, allowing you to build fully customized product pages with drag and drop ease. Without the Pro version, you won't be able to access the product page templates or customize them in the way we're aiming for here. Once you've upgraded to Elementor Pro, you'll be able to return to the theme builder section and start creating your custom product page. From there, you can choose to design a new product page template from scratch or customize an existing one. Elementor Pro provides you with pre-designed product page layouts that you can tweak to match your brand, or you can start with a blank canvas and build exactly what you envision. You'll have full control over every element, from product images and descriptions to add to cart buttons and related product sections. And that's it. You've learned how to access the theme builder in Elementor and understand the requirement for Elementor Pro to create custom product pages. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.